Hi guys, my name is Kareel and welcome to my channel, and for today's video is we're going to be doing a challenge. So the challenge we're going to do today is we're going to do a low budget makeup look, and I'm going to prove to you guys that you guys can still do a full face of makeup without having to spend thousands of money. So let's go. I listed the price here, so while I'm doing my makeup I can like say the price. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go put the product name here and then the price here. So let's go. So the first step, actually guys, nakabox pa talaga to, di ko siya in-unbox. The first one is the Maybelline Fit Me, and this is 449 pesos. So this is like, actually guys, I really tried to look for cheaper primer, but it's like parang syempre if maghanap ka ng makeup, it should be good too. So here I got the, oh, first time ko to makita actually. I didn't know it like this. It's white. Oh. Oh yes, I like it. Wow. Wow, it's actually sticky. Wow. Oh guys, I'll tell you a little bit more about it. It smells like sunscreen. Like, it really smells like sunscreen. Oh my gosh, wow, I like it. You know guys, I read this one thing. No, you shouldn't put primer on your nose. So it doesn't crease. So here, this is the first step. Mabilis lang to, and I'll give you guys a good review. Let me let it dry first. It's sticky. It's not super sticky. Isn't primer supposed to be sticky, right? But it did mattify my face and it feels slightly smoother. I like it. Okay, so this is the first step. We're gonna go proceed to the base. Let's go, let's go, let's go. What do I have here? I have here the Get Ready With Me Daily Skin Tint. This is the next one, and this is 599. Actually, I think worth the money to kasi um like it's really big na. So yeah, it's good. We're gonna go unbox this real quick. Wow. So this is the Daily Skin Tint, and this has SPF din, so that's good. SPF. Oh, oh yes, sir. Oh yes. Get ready with me. Get ready with me. Get ready with me. So I guess I'm not sure if this is the good shade for me. So that's the consistency. The consistency is like a little watery, but yeah, here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, so I actually got this for free. Finally, I got something for free. Oh. Oh, yes. I think it's a little bit too white. Oh, no. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see it? Is it too white, do you think? Oh. The mirror's right in front of me right now and I'm looking at it. Parang okay na to. Feeling ko kapag nakatakpan ko the other side of the face, it's gonna be good. So we're gonna do that real quick. Let's go. Oh my gosh, wait. I can actually add this skin tint to my daily makeup routine. I like it. Oh. And hindi siya heavy sa skin mo. Like, it's like skin tint. Pero may mga ibang skin tint na maybe heavy sa skin. But this one isn't. It feels like you're just applying something. I mean, mali. Parang nag-a-apply ka lang ng makeup na may sunscreen, gano'n. Joke lang, hindi ko mag-get sarili ko explanation. But it feels very light, okay? Would I recommend this? Actually, yes. And I will actually add this to makeup routine ko. Oh, yes. And then my nose. Ganyan ako mag-apply sa nose. Ganyan. Wait lang, guys. Ang puti niya ba tingnan sa camera right now? I think, yeah. But wait, trust. Hindi, it's not supposed to be like that. Hindi siya. There. Finally, I feel like parang... Okay, parang ang puti niya talaga. Hala. Okay lang yan. So, anyways, the next one is, wait, hanapin ko siya. It's this one. This is from BLK, the Radiant Glow, filter. And this is 349 pesos. Okay. And ganito siya kalaki. Do you see that? Although, ang isang ano ko lang dito, isang problem ko lang, is ayoko sa ganitong packaging because it's not the easiest to work with. Ay, joke lang, hindi pala siya ganun. Akala ko ganun yung squeeze lang, parang toothpaste. Hala, ang puti talaga, wait lang. Okay, so this is the concealer. And now we're gonna go put it on my under eyes. Hala! Hala, is this white lady? Oh, ang lamig niya sa mukha. I think dahil nakababa siya sa aircon. Okay. Here, you see that? So, lagi ako nagmamarinate ng concealer. Like, dito lang banda sa under eyes. So, hindi rin ako super tagal nagmamarinate. Ano lang, ganyan lang. So, since madaming parts ako nilalagyan ng concealer, ganito lang. I-blend ko muna tong areas na to. I'll blend these areas first. And then here on my forehead. Para pagkatapos ko dyan, I'll go blend my under eyes. I think, pag mag-marinate ka, it should take like minutes. Which sometimes I do take minutes though. Minsan gumagawa muna ako ibang step. But yeah. And then my under eyes. Kailangan talaga natin, we need to make our face look, add a little bit of warmth. Pero sige, kaya natin to. I did this challenge kasi I know the struggle of parang minsan kasi nauubusan din ako ng pera. So, we need to actually buy mga budget-friendly, yung mga makeup na, can still elevate our look without having na mauubos yung buong allowance natin for makeup. Nung bumibili nga ako nito, I was like, oh my god, ang mahal pala talaga ng makeup. But yeah, I still managed to complete the challenge. There. Good coverage ba siya, guys? Good naman. Usually, guys, may color corrector talaga ako kasi my under eyes are really, really bad. I think nabanggit ko rin yun sa last vlog ko. Sobrang dark ng under eyes ko since I was young. Pero like, this time, nice. Okay. So, ganyan na siya. I think, wait lang. Okay, there. So, for the next part is, we're gonna go with, wait lang. We got that one. We're gonna go to powder foundation. Saan na ba yan? This one. Soft Blur Powder Foundation. And this one is 600 pesos. 599 per like, oh my gosh. Feeling ko, oh my god, ow! I think mahal to because like, malaki siya. Totoo lang. Tignan nyo. Wow! And the packaging though. This is in the shade Creme. Okay. I like it. That's so good. And then, we're gonna remove this real quick. Ang ganda nito. Oh, and malambot. Oh my god, this is really soft. I like it. It's very airy and cloudy. I love it. Hindi ko matanggal yung mirror, guys. Oh no. Okay. There. So, as you guys can see, sobrang glowy, sobrang puti pa. Later, maayos natin yung lahat. So, we're gonna go proceed with powder first. La, this looks dark. What you guys are seeing, the one that's Ayos natin to. Ako kapag nagpa-powder ako, I really powder all my whole face. Because hindi ako fan ng glowy makeup. Actually, kapag may glow, it's either like glossy lips or blush lang. Pero like, other than that, matte girly talaga. Yan. So now our face is like powdered. Our next step, wait lang. O, diba? Marami tayong magagawa. Hindi pa tayo tapos. And our face, maputi pa siya. So, just wait. Next step, guys. We have here, actually, tataka kayo. Akala ko ba cheap? Trust me, guys. Wait lang. So, this is the Tevian. Basta Tevian palette to. And it had, okay, I'm just gonna show you what's here. And this is, 695. 695 pesos, and this is in the shade First Date. But like, trust me guys, when you see the inside, parang sobrang worth it talaga ng money. And parang you have here almost, not everything, but you have, parang marami ka na talaga magagamit dito. So, ang ganda pa ng packaging niya. Like, yes girl. You have highlighter, blush. You also have here contour or like eyeshadow. Ito nga po, ito tatlo pang eyeshadow. Basta you can use it kung paano nyo siya gusto. Kaya worth it yung money. Like, instead of gumastos ka ng isa-isa, you can just buy this one. So, ngayon, ano natin yung mukha natin because like, nung tinry ko to sa store, actually guys, tinry ko to na to store, like, just swatch. And I was like, oh my gosh, pigmented siya guys. I just need to be careful with how I work with it. So, dito ako maglalagay, here in this area. Okay. Kailangan natin bigyan ng warmth yung mukha natin. Because I did wrong. Hindi yan, super harsh. So, just trust. And then, since we are gonna use this one, we're gonna go get some of this. Then, ilalagay lang natin yan here. And then, here as well. Ooh, slay. Ako guys, naglalagay din ako under my eyes kasi sabi nila it will make your eyes pop. Which is, I love that. Then, nose contour na din. O, diba? You can use it for a lot of things. So, like, alam ko, it's kind of expensive. But, like, it's really worth the money. Just a little bit of this. Wala pa tayong blush with, like, a shame. We're gonna use, hindi. Para maglagay tayo full face, we're gonna go put some highlighter on our eyes. Hindi ko ginagawa yun because for me, hindi ako fan ng glittery things. But I'm gonna do it for a vlog. Just tingnan nyo guys. It's low-key blinding. I need to focus it. Kita nyo ba yan? Wait, I'm gonna put more. Blinding siya, but like, oh my gosh. Do you see? Parang hindi siya kita. But like there. Do you see that? Kahit di siya nakapokus, makikita nyo talaga yung pagka-shine niya. Which is like, amazing. There we go. And then, mag-focus na lang kaya tayo sa eyes. Tapos, bago tayo mag-blush. Yeah, let's do that. And then, the next one, bago tayo mag-proceed sa next step ng palette na to. I have the BLK eyeliner, which is 349 pesos. And, this is in the color black. Actually, hindi talaga ako, biggest fan ng black eyeliner. More on, brown. Pero like, I can work with this. Oh yeah, it's a pencil. I Thank you. Okay. Silence. Let's do this. Hala, wait lang. I-swatch ko muna kaya siya dito. Pag minted ba siya. Oh! Ala, unti pa lang. Let's see. Let's let it dry for a little. Okay. Oops, nasulatan ko yung kamay ko. Oh my gosh. But like, oh. Yes. Yes, girl. It will not move. It doesn't move. Tingnan nyo. Don't mind. Nasulatan ko talaga siya. But like, oh my gosh. Okay, nice. Ngayon, kaya ko ba to? I don't know how I feel about it though. Hala, I'm really not good at eyeliner. Pero, I don't know how I feel about it. Feeling ko kaya ko to. Okay, next. Ooh. Okay, I think okay na yan. Sometimes, kailangan siblings sila, hindi twins. Your eyeliner does not need to be the same. Hala. Joke lang. Kailangan talaga the same. Like, I like eyeliner, pero yun talaga yung pinaka mahirap na step na hindi kaya ng lahat ng beginners na kahit, like, parang, oh my gosh, hindi talaga siya pantay. Wait nga lang. Okay. Kaya ko to. Maglalagay muna tayo ng unti pang eyeshadow para lang. Okay. There. Next, we're gonna do our eyes. Like, the eyelashes pala. So, this one, hindi ko siya binili sa same, sa same store. Pero, like, this is from Watson's lang. So, you know, kayang-kaya yan. And also, I believe na if you just know how to, kapag marunong ka paano patayuin yung eyelashes mo without having to make them fall down agad-agad, I think that any eyelash curler will work for you. Pero sabi nila, Japanese eyelash curlers are the best. Pero you know, right now, we're working on budget friendly. So, okay na to. Almost like 1 year na ata to sa akin. And it's really good though. Pero dapat, ang isang thing, dapat nililinis yung eyelash curlers nyo. You know. There. You guys will see. So while we're curling, I'm gonna introduce my mascara. This is like all-time favorite ata to. Crowd favorite siya. This is from Maybelline. This is 369 pesos. And this is the Sky High. Sobrang favorite talaga to ng maraming tao. Pero like, hindi na ako bumili nito kasi, matagal na ako may ganito. And in fact, gamit na siya. Pero like, I still use it. Sobrang ganda talaga. Tingnan nyo yan. Like, do you guys see? Tamang pag-curl lang talaga. You guys don't need to invest in super, super expensive eyelash curlers. Basta marunong kayo mag-work with eyelashes. Tingnan nyo. So, I start from here sa parang pinaka-root, working my way up. Up, root up, root up, root up, root up. And then, maglalagay ako sa tip. Just that. para mas maging darker sila. Ayan, natin nyo. Ako talaga, like, I am a huge fan of big eyes. So, like, pag nagmamascara ako, nag-curl ako ng lashes, or may ginagawa ako na nagpapalaki mata, I'm like, this is it. This is the makeup look I want. So, we're gonna do the other eye bago tayo mag-proceed. Careful lang kayo dapat kasi, like, if naipit niyo yung mata niyo, like, yung eyelid niyo, that will hurt. Pero if sanay na kayo maipit, edi. So, curl, 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 curl. Sobrang focus ko talaga. For me, kapag hindi nakatayo yung pilik mata ko, tapos naglagay na ako ng mascara, I think that it will really ruin my makeup look. Parang nakakasira siya ng araw, kaya, like, I take this part seriously talaga. Ayan. Wait lang. And then, same steps, guys. Ayan nyo. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yan. And then, since for some reason yung eyelash curler ko, may naiwan na mascara, nalagyan din yung mukha ko ng mascara. Just remove that. And then, boom. We got it. Tapos, minsan to finish it, naglalagay ako ng, ng unting black, ng brown, eyeshadow dito. And then more here. Ako talaga I like eyeshadow. Okay, so ganyan na siya. Like, look. Like, I love it. So now, mabalik tayo sa palette na to. And then we're gonna go use the blush this time. This is the color pink. Baby pink siya. Medyo baby pink. So we're gonna use this one. Oh! Hala! Oh my gosh. We gotta work with it first. So, round face. Dito tayo. You know it. Okay. Kita ba siya on camera? Parang hindi. Wait, I'm gonna give you all light para kita nyo. Kita nyo na ba? Kita ba? Parang ang pigmented. Grabe. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I love it. This is so worth the money talaga. I promise, guys, kapag nyo to, ginamit nyo siya everyday, or kapag actually, ang isang tingnan pang nagta-travel ako, ayoko nang napupuno yung makeup pouch ko. Hala! Pero yan siya, guys. Kita nyo ba? Paano ba dapat yun? You know? Like, do you see it? Pero yan. Ganyan din yung eyeshadow ko. Like, look. Oh, yes, sir. Wag nyo na lang pansinin yung eyeliner. Oh! Hala, hindi. Wait lang. Wait lang. Oh my gosh. Pero anyways, ganyan siya. Work with it, pero kaya mo yan. And then, wait lang. Maglalagay pa tayo dito unti. Ng unti pang, hindi eyeshadow, guys. Tapos na tayo dun. Unting nose contour lang. Anyways, nasabi ko naman, ayoko na pupuno yung makeup pouch ko. Kaya nga, gusto ko naglalagay ako ng parang 3-in-1 palettes. Yung Hourglass palette ko, guys. That one, it has 6 colors. And ikaw na bahala kung paano mo siya gamitin. And it's super useful. Hindi ko na kailangan dalahin lahat ng gamit ko. And sobrang lumuluwag talaga. Like, yes. Next, hindi mawawala ang kilay. Kilay is life. So, this one, how much is that? This is 379 pesos. And, wait, oh my gosh, nalaglag. It's this one. For me, sobrang, parang ang premium ng packaging niya. Tapos, ang bigat niya pa. Like, it's heavy for an eyebrow pencil. So, may part na pang ayos, like, brush and stuff. And, of course, the pencil mismo. So, we're gonna do with the brows. Again, this is 379. So, I like to follow the direction of my brows. Tapos, yung nakataas, ibababa ko sila lahat dyan sa edge. Tas dito. Then, we're gonna go start filling them in. Okay. Medyo brownish siya. Because my eyebrows aren't fully black. Ako kapag nagkikilay ako, guys, hindi ako yung parang, alam niyo yung 2016 brows, hindi ako ganon because for me, minsan pa nag-makeup ako. Pag masyado makapal yung eyebrows ko, parang it makes me look weird. Kaya fill in ko lang yung, empty parts ng brows ko. Like, yes sir. And then, ayun. Parang hindi halata yung niya. Parang hindi siya halata. Do you guys need more light? Parang hindi talaga siya halata. Pero like, ganyan siya. Ayan yung meron, tas ito yung wala. I don't know how you guys feel. Pero ako, I love it. Tapos, after ko siya i-fill in, we're gonna go brush it. Brush. Para lang mawala yung harsh lines. And then, the other brow, of course. Yes! That's it! Okay, so, ngayon tapos tayo sa brows, sa eyeshadow, sa eyeliner, sa mascara, sa pag-warm ng face, the skin tint, the concealer, the blush. Ano pang kulang natin? The lipstick. Hala. So, this one is from Get Ready With Me. This one, Lip Boost. Oh my gosh, Lip Boost from Get Ready With Me. And this is 349 pesos. It has shea butter and vitamin E. Like, yeah. And this in the shade Sangria. Let's go. Oh, yes, sir. It's silver. Oh my gosh. Alam niyo yung amoy marshmallow. I love it. Oh, parang ang dark nito though. Oh no. Parang sinal to sa akin. Parang it wasn't this dark. Pero ganyan siya. It's glowy. Tapos, ganyan. Okay, I like it. Let's go. Tap muna tayo. Overall review. Hindi siya super smooth sa lips. Parang if gano'n mo siya. Medyo siya, parang mahirap siya i-work with. Pag sasmak mo siya, parang siyang may rough texture na hindi galing sa lips mo. Kasi, if it's your, like, marami na akong makeup lip products ba nagamit. And of course, hindi siya ganyan. So, like, you know. Pero ang ganda ng finish niya, kaya we're gonna ignore that. Joke lang, hindi. Pero like, other than that, how it works, okay siya. It's just that yung lang talaga, yung parang kung paano mo siya i-blend. We're gonna go add some finishing touches. Tapos, hindi ako ma-highlighter na person, pero for the vlog, since sabi ko nga full face, we're gonna go put some, using this again, diba? We're gonna go put sa inner corners natin. Tignan nyo, ito yung wala, ito yung meron. Parang, hindi siya super obvious, pero I'm gonna go give you guys more light later. Para makita nyo. Hindi talaga ako fan ng ng highlighter because parang it's just not my thing. The nose. And then, maglagay na lang tayo dito sa blush. Using this again. Kapag hindi pa enough para sa inyo yung warmth ng face ko, kasi nga grabe talaga yung shade, just put some of this. This one. Kailangan ko na siya itapat sa good light para sa finishing touches. And then we're just gonna go finish this makeup look real quick. And then I'll be right, guys. Okay, so like, tinapatan ko siya ng light para mas makita nyo. So, there. I put some of that, contour para ma-warm yung face ko. And then there's the lip color. Like, yes. I really love the eyeshadow. Parang, I really love it. And then, nakikita nyo ba yung glow na yan? Like, yes! So, here's the final look. I hope na na-prove ko sa inyo na you guys can do like this makeup look or even better without having to spend thousands. Anyways, again, here's the final look. I hope that you liked it. And this is your sign to not think na lahat ng magandang makeup look nakikita mo umaabot ng 1,000 above. Sa total ng lahat yon, of course, aabot yun ng thousands. Like, per like, you know, sa solo. Sa solo na yun. If you're gonna buy one product, hindi naabot ng thousands. So, yeah. Anyways, that's it for the whole vlog. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. I'm looking forward to creating more vlogs with you guys soon, or to do more challenges, more travels, and basta alam niyo na yun. I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching.